It's rainy and cold in Brooklyn today, so I am gonna take the time to recover this vanity stool. It's pretty simple, nothing exciting about it, so I thought I would jazz it up with some fun leopard print fabric. I'm just basically gonna show you how to do it. So I'm using a staple gun, flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, some scissors, and I have another screwdriver over there. I'm doing this project on the table today because I've gotten smarter and I am now in my 30s and I can't do things on the floor anymore. Okay, so I have the stool flipped over, just unscrewed it, and this should come off. Now we're just left with the seat cushion. Obviously you can see there's staples everywhere. So next step is to remove all of the staples. It can be hard to get underneath these. This is my least favorite part of recovering, is removing the previous material. Okay. Finally got all the staples out. Now I will just take off these here. And I'm just gonna reuse that foam. I will be using this, so don't throw away your original piece. Always use this as a guide if you can. I'm gonna give myself a little extra room. Okay, so now I'm just gonna center fabric, and I definitely cut, I did not need this much, but that's right. I'll pull this back and staple close to the edge. And then now we're just gonna go all the way around and pull and staple. And then I've gotten this side tacked down. So now I'm gonna go on the other side and work my way around. Now I'm gonna go on this side. Finally done, so I'm just gonna cut off the excess. Looks pretty good. And now all we have to do is put it back on. Okay, there she is, all done. Okay, it's been a few days and love the stool, I think it looks great, but I want to paint the frame red. So I picked up this from the store and I'm gonna do that now.